Man, go tap into my nigga E.
Only if it's above 19.
Just E392. Tap in on all platforms. Get at it.
Judging the hand, then talk to the game. I talk to him, I got no time for no plan. Bitch, I'm a rebel, you smart like a pebble. I don't need no shovel, they need what I'm saying. I like to make money and make it money. They cross around town that you give them a tan. I'm out her head, I try to stay cool like a fan. Look dead in my eyes and lies, you ain't my man. My hands on the stick like a witch, you get still in the trap, trying to get out the trench. I'm on the suicide, so if I on my bricks, like one out of smoke, anything can get it. I dump in the bitch for the paper. I'm trying to get it, I'm going out. I'm telling my paper won't fold. I'm trying to get it, I'm staying on odds. My baby see her deep inside. We want some moves and we won't testify. I tell you what it was, I'm testifying. They want that water, he's still in my side. He had no ill, then my dog, he gon' ride. Blessed with a tip of my life, I'm lying. Still in the field, okay, ain't no help time. I pay the ball in my neck when they ride. Trying to take money, your way, getting flatline. We hit the top just like Jack in the ball. All I see is great, get to that money, not stop. And we gon' keep shooting until we hit the top. Come work the jar, had to get on that block. Still with my back at our time. So when you know this my side, can't knock me out with my paper, don't play with this shit. We send that boy to the sky. Nigga like that, you get better, no wishes. Cause let me down, get the time. This ain't one supposed to be shut down. Flaking that dude, go round for round. I'm talking about body for body. That boy, I ain't talking no truth. I'm playing with this city, you go get your pocket. Got it, run to the day to my body. I'm dodging the head, I just talk to the game. I talk to him, I got no time for no plan. Bitch, I'm a rebel, you smart like a pebble. I don't need no shovel, they did what I'm saying.
As soon as I pulled up, y'all was at her. I was like, dang, it must be real late. You see it, we out here getting it. Into it. Let me get across this lot real quick. Yo, this looking right. What y'all doing?
He was on their ass.
What you say? Oh yeah?
No AC in that motherfucker.
God, dang.
You can't run with no AC.
Hey, I was on the same shit, nigga, sweating like a bitch, nigga.
Yeah, I didn't have no AC on either.
I'll take the fastest charger title. I'll take this. I'll take the fastest charger title. It's a good ass run.
How was that second one? I see the second one. I seen the first one and the last one.
The first two we was side by side, nigga. And then he got like right here.
So
Then
I
we had
just
to
missed
slow
out.
down.
That's what you're saying.
50.
Why everybody kept trying to hog behind me?
The 50.
that's my
The 50.
homie,
He left my.
It
wasn't bad. It was a car. It was a car.
Oh, you thought it was RT?
Oh, hey, I had a dust for real. I was mad.
Wait, that green one?
Last nigga I seen was an RT behind us though. I didn't see him ever with us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Last thing I seen was an RT little him dog. I thought it was a gray one.
Yeah, it was a gray one out there with us though.
That's what I thought it was. Yeah, that one. That's what I thought it was. I'm like, bro, what the fuck?
That's RT.
My shit fucked.
You hear me? Yeah. I'm like, hey, I need a little bit more. I need something. I don't know. Fuck it, time to get the cash. Yo, this bitch ain't got enough, bro. I thought that bitch.
Get some skinnies
I just seen it too when I was walking in. I was like, okay, that's what that was. Bro, I think I know that nigga, bro.
Which one of y'all motherfuckers was behind me? One of y'all
I think I used to work at FedEx. No,
I was behind you. I was trying so I could see
That's
you.
him. On
When we
me.
did that, that's how I know my
told
shit
y'all
ain't
he was
good
on
at
y'all
50s,
ass,
bro,
bro.
because you was on my ass, bro, the whole 50.
Ow, I missed out. I was.
I seen you got back. That shit clean, LJ. Back,
You can tell the difference.
what?
Like that is thinking at night.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. But it's clean though. It's hard.
Ooh, okay. Follow my boy LJ for OK on TikTok.
Cool down, bro.
At first, I thought you thought I was him, because you kept getting over like, nah.
I knew he was behind.
We just watched these oh, my bad, bro.
You good, G? It's for the YouTube, bro. They know you by now. If you ain't got no instant follows, I don't know, but they definitely be watching the videos. Ooh, that's crazy right there.
What that last one y'all did?
Hey.
That was on my ass.
Yeah. It's smart to put a smaller one. Because that smaller turbo is going to spin a little quicker with that bigger motor.
That little bit.
What's up, G? You good?
Hey, I was wrong.
I thought he looked like him. I thought he did. Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
You got SRT Savior right there.
Where you at?
Hey,
Shay, who in that right there? They still slapping. They still slapping.
That white Charger? He started to come out more.
Oh, we shouldn't be back here. We need to pack out the gas station.
Oh, my bad. I'm interrupting your video. Saying nothing to me. I'm interrupting the man's video footage.
I know his camera's been cold on me.
Get that 30 roll? Let me close my shit. My shit's dirty.
It's a little ashy, though.
Leave it up.
My shit's dirty, bro.
No. But the thing is, I know you're going to get the fuck out of it.
Come on, which one you got? I'm trying to make a video real quick.
It's the behind the scenes footage right here. That's what y'all don't see.
Yeah, that nigga slapping.
Hey, he is slapping though.
Go to that bridge.
How they call me? My bad. How they call me?
Hey, it's the pictures, man.
Hey, I'm finna run cake.
Now, right now? Yeah. Bro, you better wait.
Bro, we gotta go to the gas station to get pictures, bro.
I'll jump in.
Yeah, let that shit cool.
We gotta go to the gas station, man.
Bro, for the beach.
The lights be hitting over there.
We need that for real, bro.
Nah, for real. She said, move. How I beat y'all here? How I beat y'all here? I don't even know. I was 2 hours away. How I beat y'all here? That's crazy. That's wild. They called me at 6 talking about where I'm at. That's crazy. And I beat them here. And they got red eyes. I told y'all seen another video. That's how you beat a red eye in a Hellcat. You just gotta be on time. You gotta be on time. My boy, see, that's dedication right there. You see that? That's dedication. Look at this. This is a photographer right here. He a photographer. He got to get the shot at all costs. You see it. It's going to be perfect when they go on Snapchat. Watch. Yeah. Red eye. That heavy
¿Así?
Dale más.
¿Más?
Yeah. You're sticking out a little bit. Yeah, get it
You're not gonna hit him.
that pump, man.
You'll be alright. You'll hit that pole before you hit him.
Come on.
Now you good? Come on. You gonna stay right there? Okay.
Sticking out kind of far, but you know.
It'll be all right. That's crazy. How beat y'all here, man? What had happened?
Test hot. Test hot. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Burning.
How beat y'all here?
I was running when you called.
You don't know? Don't nobody know. That's crazy.
Hey, you said you were gonna get out late. We didn't even go
all-wheel
get gas.
drive, and you can have a manual one.
You have to be there. Why are you fucking up?
I was in Timbuktu somewhere. They ain't had no service. I'm surprised the call came through. I had like one bar.
You're like, what?
I was surprised, yeah.
Is that you, really?
Yeah. The fastest scat out here.
The fastest scatty?
Yeah.
Scatty wagon?
Built scat. Built. Me. It's 95 still.
It's hot as fuck.
Still 95.
Good weather. What's up, bro?
Yo, this lighting busting, the hat busting, the hair. Ooh, yeah. Let me get me right. What's up, G?
I'll do a few call outs. I might need you to hook that camera up
On the car?
behind me, boy. You can put it on my car. You can ride behind me. I need to get the shit on video. I don't got no 360.
360?
No 360 cam like your dude, so I can't get.
They got.
I literally let it down step like
Oh, I'm not interrupting your video, bruh.
video moving. Nah, he's straight. He's making it to roads like this. It's shit ton of businesses down the side. They just make it like paint sheet.
Alright, we gotta get this camera situation locked in. He ain't got no
Hey, tell him in the front we good.
Alright. Which one is it? You? Who's third? Hey, who car is this?
Nah, man, you got this.
What car is this?
I'm not sure. He just hopped out.
Who you trying to race? Well, we got this Camaro.
Yeah, he's trying to get out right now.
That's what
He went that way.
Got my man right here in that crazy.
What's happening, my boy? What's up, what's up, what's up?
You see it?
What are the ones on? You want to go up to the on cue? Yeah. All right, we'll go to the on cue.
Don't come out to have his first nice ride. He'll be us one day. Everybody running, huh? I feel like I should go. I'm gonna chill though. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. chill, YouTube. They finna go crazy. Woo. What y'all been up to, man?
Shit, last time I came, they was taking pictures of niggas' cars and shit. Tay, you about to run yours, Tay?
Fuck about my shit being stopped, nigga, I'm out here.
Hey, what are you rattling?
That bottle right there.
Yeah, he just ran over that water bottle.
That's what it's like waiting. Sidelines waiting. I just really hope that the GoPro holds up. It ain't never been that fast before. It should work. If not, man, we gonna have to buy another GoPro. It's gonna hurt, man.